Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome back to Sunshine Acres. Jason here. Cole's here with me again. He's behind the camera right now. And today we're we're up in the wood yard. We're gonna be getting into this pile of hickory. What do we got here? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hickory logs. We've got one more long one over there. And we're gonna be making cookie wood blanks just like we did with the white oak in previous videos. And we're gonna change how we're processing these a little bit. We're going to alternate how we're stacking them on the pallet. We're going to alternate between 65-inch wide, and then we'll turn 90 degrees and hit them at 48 inches. So we'll have two different dimensions. We'll keep them as straight as we can. Try not to have mushroom effect or have anything rotating on us. So we're going to cut, I think you can see some of my pink lines here, but these are measured out at 65 inches. And then we'll cut whatever's left and we'll mill those into 48 inches. But yeah, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 on that one. And I hope this will speed things up. And we got Cole here today as well. So he's gonna be taking them, once we pull them off the mill, take them down to the barn and stacking them there, as well as processing the 48-inch pieces. So glad y'all are here with us today. Come along, we're gonna have some fun. All right, so here's the white oak that we had left over from previous videos, and this is exactly how we're gonna get started here with the hickory. We've got the 65-inch pieces that'll run in this direction, and then we will transition to 48 wood, 48 inches wide in this direction, and 4 of those ought to fit in the kiln nice and neat. At least that's the game plan. So we're gonna get started here. Order operations, mill up a 65-inch log, and then turn around and mill what's left, and we'll cut 48s out of those and then start stacking them here. We are going to proceed without using stickers. We're just going to use alternating pattern. Probably space them out a little more than we did on previous videos just to create some more airflow. We're not going to know until we get the kiln and start drying them to make sure all that is working, but come along, we're going to get started. All right, so Miss Cole brought the first 65-incher down, and so that's the first issue. 65 inches will not fit on the log lifter, so we're gonna have to adjust our measurements due to that, but we'll pick this up and just put it on the mill directly. But yeah, moving forward, that 65 inches is probably not gonna work. All right, so we're back at it, day 2 of this video. We had some issues with the B-roll camera. So the last few videos we've had trouble with it wanting to focus in and out rapidly. I apologize for that. I think I have that figured out, so hopefully from here on out you will not see that. But you can see what Cole and I got done yesterday. We did get the the hickory cooking wood pallet started, so we definitely got the first course of 65 inches and then turned 90 and started running the 48. So Cole's gonna do a little bit of cleanup up in the wood yard first. I'm gonna get on the sawmill, start cutting some logs, and then we're gonna be going through that process of cutting logs and then bring them down here to the barn, cut them to length, and get them stacked and cleaned up and all that. You ready to go, Cole?
Sure am.
You look a little sleepy today.
Just a little bit.
Yeah?
All right. Yeah.
I see you're making a fashion statement. I like the boots.
Man, I just forgot my tennis shoes.
It's all good. Hopefully we won't get much sawdust down in there.
Yeah.
Come along, we'll go get after and try to get, I forget how many logs we said we had, 6, 7?
Yeah, around there.
So we got one cut yesterday, so we got 5 or 6 to go today. So come along. All right, so we maxed out memory on the B-roll camera today. It was letting it run a little bit, so I don't know what we got in there. Cole was shooting some. He was down here in the shop processing all this hickory. I was on the mill most of the day, turning the logs into 2x2s. So you can see this is what we got so far, and this is that's a hell of an effort. High five on that.
Yes, sir.
Where do you think we are? You think we're under halfway?
A little bit under. How tall is the normal one?
65 inches. We're at 32. So just under.
Just a bit under.
So we're halfway there to having this guy kiln ready. So really, I need to round up some more hickory logs, get them staged, and then we got one more day on this to get it banded up and ready to go. But yeah, super happy with that. Fails today, or for this video, mostly I tried to cut the 65-inch logs right to length, so we had them pre-cut, but it didn't fit the mill. So it couldn't get on the log lifter arms. It didn't fit right between the cross braces on the mill. So that idea is not good. So definitely need longer than 65.
And you hitting the log dog.
Yeah, I did. I don't think that was, I don't think we had that on film, but I made sparks. So yeah, I had a couple weird things with, I changed a band, a saw blade.
Yeah.
And when I was tightening it up, it broke while I was tightening it. I didn't even turn it on, so that was a first for me. So I don't know what happened there. Now I turn around with a fairly new blade. hit the log stop, so I made sparks, and so that blade was shot. So I went through a few blades today. Not what we like to do, but that's it. Super happy with the hickory. Looks great, smells great. Excited to get this thing done, banded up, and put in the kiln. But oh, I cut 2 slabs up there of this hickory. It had a crotch in it.
Yeah.
Let's go take a look at that. All right, so here we are at the mill. We were able to get 2 nice live edge slabs out of this hickory with the crotch in them. So I think these will make for some nice pieces. I'm gonna get Cole behind the camera here quick. We're gonna put some water on this one. All right, here we go. All right, so that is it. We'll put these guys on the pile with the other slabs that we made over time, and they'll get in the kiln at some point, but those are gonna be a couple nice pieces. Happy we got the hickory pile going, and a lot of progress today. Cole's a huge help. To me, I'm used to being out here by myself, so that was super nice. Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.
Hope y'all like this video. I'm glad having y'all here. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, tell your mama, tell your friends, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.